salami. Yeah, I love chocolate and I love salami. So we only need 2 eggs, only the egg yolks, so il rosso d'uovo, the sugar, 4 spoons of cocoa, unsweetened powder, and obviously the butter, and some biscuits. I will use this one, Le Petit Beurre. Are like tea biscuits, but you can use also the digestive, or someone uses the lotus with some cinnamon inside. So we start melting the butter. So I put 30 seconds and see how it was. So I will put the 2 eggs inside the bowl and the sugar. And I mix with the whisk, or you can put in a mixer. Bene, good. So the butter I think is ready, quindi è pronto, lasciamo raffreddare un po' e mischiamo ancora un po' le uova e poi adesso aggiungiamo il cacao. Now we are going to add the cocoa powder. It's unsweetened cocoa powder, because we have the sugar. Now mix very softly in order not to spread the cocoa all over. Now it's a little bit hard, but it's okay, don't worry. Now we are adding the butter. It's hot. And we just mix carefully, slowly. The last part of butter is hot. Okay, and we mix, and then we are going to add just broke your biscuits like in a very elegant way. Okay. Biscuits. And you can mix with this or with this spatula, with the Marisa, it's fine. And you just mix all together. If you have a big piece of biscuit, you just try to make small pieces with your hands or with the Marisa. As you can see, it's really easy. Then you take the parchment paper and you put your mixer on the parchment paper, and and with your hands you will give the shape to this. So it can be, depends how you like the salami. If you like very long and thick or more big, you just can put some icing sugar when you are serving it. So you see, salami is ready. We rub it a little bit on this side, and we roll like this. And the salami is ready, and you just cut slices, really like a salami. If you don't want to eat raw eggs, you can pasteurize the eggs. It is very easy. It's just you have to measure the amount of sugar and water and boil it, and boil until a certain temperature, and then you pour inside the egg yolks or egg whites and mix, and it means you have pasteurized eggs. So that's it. So the salami I will put in the and later we will eat the salami. Enjoy and eat the salami, the chocolate salami, and let me know how it is. And ciao a tutti.